What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's 39 degrees out today. It's kind of chilly, and behind me is what we're going to work on today. I'm going to throw some footage up of the car. It didn't quite go as planned, so today instead we're getting the inside of the garage done. Okay, truck is loaded. I mean, I'm packed right full in here. I got no room left in this thing, so I'm gonna drive back to the house and unload everything. I gotta go careful though, because those 2x4x16s are kind of long hanging out the end. I don't want to hit a bump hard enough and snap them. So we're gonna take our time getting back. Okay, I made it back in one piece. I hit one bump and I thought I was going to lose every single one of those. I cringed. So now I got to get everything out of that and in here. Again, I am thankful I have this truck, because I would be screwed right now if I didn't. All right, it's all unloaded. Downside is I got to move it, because that's where I got to put the new rafter. And the other 2x4s that I got are for the end walls. As you see, there's nothing to anchor when I get out this far with either the boards or the sheetrock. There's nothing to anchor it to, so I got to put them down through so it has something to anchor onto. Which, yeah, that's gonna be a blast of fun, I'm sure, because this place wasn't built the best, and there's some things I see I got to tear out of the way in order to get the 2x4s up there all the way. But I think the hardest part's going to be is where this one rafter's missing. But we're going to get this moved out of the way. I'll get the scaffolding set up, and then let's start putting stuff in. Okay, it's been several hours since I unloaded everything, but you can see we have the extra rafter now, and then on the ends, I added boards on both sides, because like I said, there's nothing there to catch insulation, or when I do eventually do the ceiling, there's nothing there to catch them. Obviously, that's not structural. That's why there's a gap in the middle. It doesn't matter. That's just to basically, so the end isn't flipping in the breeze. So I've got quite the mess I need to clean up first, and then I'm going to start going right through and doing the ceiling and get that done. So let's get after it. Guys, that's going to be it for this episode. If you're interested in seeing part 2, I'd stick around. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. And, you know, if you enjoyed it, throw a thumbs up and leave a comment if you'd like. And we'll see you in the next one, because hopefully we'll have this all done by then.